I'm thinking about the small guys. I'm thinking about the 98% of the world. That's what Bluwhale stands for. We want to democratize AI. Bluwhale is the first intelligence layer that allows individuals to use their smartphones and contribute data, storage, and computing power so that you can build AI agents, AI applications, smart applications on top of us. Over the last year, we have grown to more than 3 million unique wallets. The engagement is organic. We are looking at 1.1 million to 1.2 million monthly active users.
We all hear about the big centralized networks. What do we need to know about them versus a decentralized version?
The majority of the population is sleeping on the danger, the risks of centralized. One person can decide about how my data is being used. And that's why we want to put the control and power in your own hands. Very clean and transparent, because the information, the access, and the monetary piece flows to you. That's Bluwhale.
When will you know that you've gotten this right?
There will never be a time. And the reason why is that in a fast-paced world where we live in today, you need to be reacting much faster to the market. You need to be good at a lot of things all at the same time. You should always have a North Star that you are following. And if a company can continue to deliver on great products, great technology, great infrastructure, continuously create more impact, and building something that more people are adopting, then they are maybe onto something.